Well, it all started in 1950 when my great-grandparents, we call them Obachan and Ojichan, they started a business, and it's called Maebo Noodle Factory because at first it was just noodles. Then my great-grandma, Obachan, she took the scraps of the wonton pea and decided to make a snack out of it, and therefore the chips were born.
So as it goes into this machine, it gets mixed together. As it's getting pushed in there, it makes all these rolls over here. And then they get put through the machine, pressed, and then shaped into the chips for the next day.
It's a lot of hard work that was put into it, but there's a lot of pride that we have being that it's 75 years running and we're still going strong. A lot to do with the community here. Hilo is a very tight-knit community.
I think that they would be really proud of what has been built here. Being that it's been so long, this is the 4th generation now.
So the chips started off as the wonton pea that you would normally put the meat in and deep fry, but what she would do is add sugar and then, deep fry it, and then it kind of became a snack.
It's Maebo Noodle Factory, but a lot of people just know us for the chips. What he's doing is fluffing it, putting cornstarch on it, then putting it into these buckets, and they get fried the next day. The factory burnt down completely about 20 years ago. Before that, believe it or not, everything was fully automated. My dad was really big on providing jobs for the community. That's what he wanted to do. He wanted to hire people, promote jobs, and the hands-on aspects are really part of the factory that people are really fond of.
We know that the generations before us have worked very hard, so keeping it alive, that is definitely part of what we're supposed to do.